So for the Xbox One X, how to disassemble it. Here in the back we have here some screws, some T10, I believe. We can check. So here with the T10, and it's quite okay. So we have a screw here in the side, and we have another one here that actually is covered by this Xbox warranty sticker. Let's see if we can take it out. Maybe we can take it out without breaking it. Let's see. Okay, so it comes out, and here we have another one. So first things first, let's take these two screws. Okay, so now the screws are out. I think the way is to pull it to yourself. Just it slides out, and then the cover comes out, and whew, terrible. I can already see it. And this side doesn't want to come out so much. Okay, just the sliding mechanism. So how now to remove the rest? We have here as well plenty of these T10 screws. So I will remove all of them. Here I think these ones are T8, and these ones I think they are T8 as well. So let's start to take them all apart. Let's start with probably with the T10. And here in the middle we have this long one. Not sure if there is more long ones. Probably this is more flat here, the top of it. I think these ones are more flat as well, so they might be these long ones as well. Let's see. Yeah, long one as well. Long one, and here another long one, and here and here. So all the screws are now out as well. We need to, here we have 1, 2, 3 that we need to take out, and from this side as well we have here 3 ones. So we need to take these out as well. So let's take these out. These are T8, both this side and this side. As well, here we have some ribbon cable, so we need to take it out. We have here that kind of this small flap, and let's see if we can take the ribbon cable. Okay, so that's it, should come out, and then you just pull it to your side, because here there is these connectors as well. So for this side, let's take as well the 3 screws. So now we took everything. Let's see if I recall how to take this apart. So we have here this, we have here in this side this clamp. Basically is a connector as well. We can see over there that has some connector that connects over there. And let's see if we can pull this out. Maybe we need to turn the console to the other side. So let's to the other side, and let's see. And it comes out easily. Let's see if we can pull this out just to see. We have here a couple of screws. I'm not sure if I need to take them out yet. Okay, so when we take it out, it just we just lift all this part. Is quite heavy, but needs to lift it out, and be careful to hold here the drive, because as well it's already loose, since we lose already the bolts. Okay, so now one more thing that we need to take out is this clamp. It's the only thing that is holding it down. Let's see, should not use these so just try to use the pliers and pull it up. When one is free, usually the others are easier, but let's see. Okay, so it came out, and now it should come out everything. Probably we need to be careful, because there will be here connectors everywhere that is connected. Let's switch it around and see if we can pull it. So we can, but here it's very hard for you to see, but you see there is here this connector, as well there is here for the hard drive as well, over there a bit in the back. Maybe this is not the best way to take it out. I wonder maybe what we can do. Let's take out these screws. Maybe it will it will be easier to take everything out. Yeah, it's easier now because we just need to take the cover out, and that's it. We have here plenty of connectors under it. So we have here the power supply, the cable of power supply comes here from the back, so just need to pull it. It's a bit glued, and that's it. It's easy to pull. Then here we have the drive, the optical drive. Can just pull this out, and that's it. It comes out as well easily. And we have here the hard drive, so for this one we can as well unplug, and that's it, comes out as well. And here in the side we have the fan that is have a connector over here, and it comes out as well. Okay, so we have here the motherboard itself. Then to take out the back, the heatsink, is just to pull this up, and comes out pretty easy. So this is the way how to disassemble the Xbox One X.